Hi, I'm Jake with Five Guys Roofing, and today I'm going to talk to you about residential roof coating, Silicone. Silicone has really stepped up and separated itself from any of the other coatings for so many reasons. The first reason I want to talk about is the warranties. With Silicone, we can give our customers a 10, 15, 20-year labor and materials warranty and even a 50-year manufacturer material warranty. With traditional flat roof systems, ponding water is a huge challenge. With the Silicone product, you can rest assured that your system is going to last much longer because water has zero effect on it. Another great benefit to Silicone is the cool roof effect. Because the sun reflects off of the Silicone product, it helps maintain a cooler roof temperature, which in turn helps maintain a cooler temperature inside and make your home more efficient. With the Silicone product, it's liquid applied, so it's a seamless system. So you're not going to have any of the issues that we see on typical flat roofs that have a lot of seams. Unlike traditional roof coatings, Silicone doesn't thin out over time. So this coating is in nature going to last much longer, and you're not going to have to recoat several years down the line. Now for all your residential roofing needs, give Five Guys a call. We've got a solution for you.